Very well, welcome to the altcoin and crypto trade of the week, and that is ANKR today. And first of all, I would like to take a look at the overall crypto market. We see that the BTC dominance is still consolidating around 65%. The market cap of the cryptos is now $258 billion, and of course number one Bitcoin is hovering around 9,093, and also Ethereum is holding standing quite well around 223. It's very strange that XRP is a little bit ticking down. It's very weak, and that is a little bit disappointing in my opinion, but anyway, for me it's a nice buying opportunity anyway. Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Plus Visions, the both hard forks of Bitcoins, is quite okay and are still standing strong. Litecoin number 7 is a little bit down, around $41, and the Crypto.com coin is 12 cents, 4% higher. Today I would like to take you to ANKR with the ticker symbol ANKR. It is ranked number 196, just below the 200 mark. It's creeping up, spiking up 7.6%, and is trading around 0.003, so 0.3 cents, and the market cap is now around $16 million. It's not too much, but also not that bad. The green line here, the green line here says that the market is bottoming a little bit and going up. And if I take a look at the price chart on a daily basis, then we see a very firm and solid low and a bottom around 0.1 cent. Now threefold, 200% increase, but still there's more on the table in my opinion. And here we see the trade navigator already showed a buying opportunity around 0.0015, so you could have taken 100% profit very easily. Anyway, on a daily basis, if you take stop loss around 0.0025, there's still room to the upside with very good profit risk opportunities. And I don't I don't rule out the possibility that we will go to the 0.6 cent or even maybe 0.008, but that is more in the future. Full disclosure, I have some small positions still in ANKR last week already, and I took 2 positions around $50 each. One I've been stopped out, unfortunately, but the other one I have still a position in, and I also communicate with my community members, the paying community members, of course. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, of course, still there is a good strong upside momentum, and also here it says here 0.0025, still of course the stop loss. So around 0.003070, very nice buying opportunity with stop loss around 0.0025. That's a nice decent stop loss and risk reward. And the first target I would put, still on the daily basis, I think, because on a 4-hourly basis you don't see too much, only uptrends all over the place. So if you want to take a look for the first anchor, for the first barrier, that would be 0.004 and 0.005. These are round numbers to take a watch, take a close look at, but really towards 0.006 could be on the table in the near term within a couple of 6, 7, 8 weeks. For now, I wish you a very pleasant evening, and good luck with trading. Hasta la vista. Bye.